got this message for you, nditi I don't give my all. I got this message for you, nditi I don't give my all. I don't give my I don't give my all. I don't give my I don't give my all. I don't give my I don't give my all. I don't give my I don't give my all.
And my baby gave my I do. That I only wanna live for you. And me now it just as you. And Tana tell we just stay true. And good dad, I've been waiting for this moment, for you to look at me and just hold me. Remember back then when you used to call me Usunami and Gag was so lonely. So together we're moving on, and forever we're standing strong. And don't ever forget the song.
You to be my husband and my partner.
Ndikonijia uri niwe munna wanga na mutu wanga.
From this day until death separates us.
Ubva zvino usvika richipanda kanywa ngarufu.
I promise to obey you as Christ, as the church obeys Christ.
Ndipurupedzisa udhonipha vunga chividzo chichipfa Kristo.
I will love you and I will love our children above all others.
Ndiri ndidhonifuna ndadovapo ndafuna navana vashu mpha avo.
I promise to show you the respect and honor you deserve as my husband.
Ndipurupedzisa udhonihurisa nonifuna samunna wanga.
Forget the song that made me say I do. And together we're moving on, and forever we're standing strong. And don't ever forget a song that made me say
be my wife and helper.
Ndikonijia uri niwe mfumakazi wanga na mutu wanga kana mufarisi wanga.
From this day until death separates us.
Ubva namusi usvika richipandekanywa ngarufu.
I promise to love you as Jesus Christ loved the church.
Ndipurupedzisa unifuna unga Yesu ofuna chividzo.
I promise to love you as my own body.
Ndipurupedzisa unifuna unga ndichifuna muviri wanga.
I promise to meet your needs above the needs of either of our families, so that you and I may truly be one flesh.
Ndidova hapo ndapurupedzisa usvikerera thodea dzamo, kupirisa thodea dza mita hei yashu, uitela uri inwi na mne rive ṋama nthihi nga ngoho.
I don't give my I don't give my all.
from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the pain and the stress. Thank you, it made me who I am. Thank you, now I'm standing under ice, and baby I do. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the pain and the stress. Thank you, it made me who I am. Thank you, now I'm standing under ice, and baby I do.
Darling, say how much I love you. I got this message for you, nditi I don't give